Hello and welcome from the Magic Cristal Park Hotel here in Benidorm. So this is somewhere that we're staying whilst we're doing our trips. It's not somewhere that we've ever thought about coming to before, but it's an all-inclusive resort. There's a number of different things that are available. So I'm going to take you around the hotel, show you what's available, and show you what's actually in here and the different packages available. So there's two types of all-inclusive style. There's your usual all-inclusive where you get all your food included. And then there's an ultra all-inclusive, which means you can visit other hotels that are suitable for other children or older people, or there's different hotels you can go to. And it also includes excursions to Terra Natura and places like that as well. So I'll explain all that as we go along. So come with me as a look around the Magic Cristal Park. So we're here at the Magic Cristal Park here, one of the two restaurants. This is the one on the lower floor. So there's two, one on minus one floor, and -2. So we're on the one on -2. In terms of what you've got in terms of selection, I don't want to film too much because it's just disrespectful for people who are eating the food. But there's three separate counters. One that's got all the speciality stuff on, so things like paella, Hungarian goulash, and all those sorts of there's some cooked hake as well, which is really nice. And then there's a separate one that's got all bits of tapas on, all sorts of Spanish foods. And then there's one that's got all sorts of regular foods as well in here as well, which is quite nice. There's things like hot dogs and bits of salad and all sorts of things. But when these heats just makes it a little bit nicer, really. So I personally went for hot dog, a bit of chips, and one thing to point out is that it will also serve paella up on the pool, which I'll show you later on as well. Yeah, so Casper, what did you have?
I can't remember.
You can't remember? You had some wedges,
yeah.
Some sweet corn,
yep.
And hot dog as well, didn't you?
Jelly.
And some jelly. Also, in terms of
ice lolly.
Oh, you had an ice lolly as well. So, just to point out, Casper's there. So he's had some jelly there for his dessert. He's got his ice lolly down here. There's his ice lolly there. So yeah. So Casper's had a decent enough meal in terms of kids. It's Eden's nap time, so she's upstairs at the moment having her nap. Robin and Eden, they had paella earlier on because it was the because they had paella upstairs from the pool. So in terms of dessert here, I had 3 separate slices of different cakes just to try out, because you've got to try them all. In terms of drinks here, you've got a full selection of fountain drinks. You've got beer, you've got a choice of red and white wine, and you've also got the juices as well. So you've got orange juice, pineapple juice, apple juice, mixed tropical juice. Casper's gone a little bit mental. I've had too many of these Estrelladans, so we'll wrap this bit up here. So just through these doors here, we've actually got the mini club and the game experience, which is a bit of an arcade area as well. So the mini club, which is effectively the kids club, that's open from 4 o'clock until 7 o'clock this evening and 9 until 11. And you see the gaming experience is 4 till 11. So that's something extra that we've got here. That's all included in your entry to this hotel. So that's the gaming experience that's there. So just behind me here, you can see that's the second of the 2 restaurants that they've got here at the hotel. Serving a bit of a different style that's in here. Hopefully I'll be able to take you in here during the time that we're here. But that's one of the 2 that they actually have here on site at Hotel Cristal Park. I keep forgetting what it's called. I've had a few Australians, never mind. As you can see on the -1 floor, there's at this restaurant, there's food starts at 1 PM for lunchtime. So looking at what they've actually got, so they've got a salad corner with a selection of cheese and cold meats, soups and creams available. And in the buffet there's a variety of beef stews, turkey chops, there's a vegetarian corner there, and the star dish is potato and meat stew, plus the pasta corner, and there's also grilled pork fillet and assortment of desserts, all here at Magic Cristal Park. So just looking at some of the things that are available, there's actually a musical quiz that's down there, which is on at 9 o'clock this evening. there's a gentleman called Miguel who's going to be playing his guitar, which should be pretty cool. Don't know when that is. It doesn't say. It's just Miguel, unless it's just a picture, of course. There's also the game experience here, which is down by on the minor second floor, and the mini club there, which has got the timings. Also, there's an entertainment program here, which is all the different things that are available, from rifle shooting to crazy games to mini golf, darts, and all sorts of things that are available here. So there really is quite a good schedule of things that are going on here at the Magic Cristal Park. So this behind me that you can see here is the garden bar, as you can see there. That's open from 10 AM until midnight, and that serves as the main bar for the hotel. There is 2 bars that are actually here, and that's where you can get all your inclusive drinks and snacks that are from this actual bar as well, which is quite a good one to be able to visit as well. So I'll explain how that works as we go along, but all name brands are in there. The main beer that seems to be served is Estrella Dan, which is perfectly good beer, absolutely. I enjoy drinking it. So yeah, let's stay with us, and I'll show you what else there is here. Okay, so now we're in the main bar of the actual hotel, and here, as you can see, it's quite a large bar, lots of things. You can see over there is obviously where they have all the shows and cabaret on in the evening. There's a mixture of pool, there's air hockey, and there's some foosball over there. And you can just see over there is where that gentleman with the hat is. That's where they're serving up all the snacks as well. So today there was paella that was on, there's crisps that are on, and there's nuts to help yourself as well. So there's no shortage of things to be able to snack on in between the meal times as well. So that is the main bar here at Magic Cristal Park. In terms of the excursions on top of your ultra all-inclusive, there are a number of different things that you can visit. So there is the Guardas Unico, there is Alicante itself, go visit there, and there's some other little trips that they've got dotted around as well. So there's some nighttime trips as well, so you can go and see them, which is all very good. That's here at Magic Cristal Park. Now here at this hotel, there's actually 2 pools. So there's one on the top floor, and there's one on the 5th floor. This is the Riffy Kids pool that's here, which is suitable for smaller children. It has got a couple of slides that you can just see behind me there that's around, and there's also a kids play area here. So Casper, what do you think about this kids play area?
It's really cool. I like it here. It's so cool.
Oh, it's so cool?
Yeah.
So that's Casper's opinion. He thinks it's really cool. And it is. It's a really, really nice little play area, really. So yeah, I'll show you around it. Now I'm in the main pool area now. This is the part that serves as the main adult pool area. And it's on the top floor, so it's out of the way of all the kids. And yeah, I'll show you what's all here. This is the main pool area that's over here. It's quite deep actually, so it starts off at 1.3 metres, which you can just see the sign for just down there. And it goes all the way up to 1.9, so it's actually quite a deep pool. And that's quite a steep gradient as well to get down to it as well. So it's certainly deep enough to be able to do some diving into if that's what you want to do. And as we move across onto this bit of a jetty over here, there's lots of seating areas, places to be able to eat and have a bit of a drink as well. So we've got the main bar, which is down this way. Yeah, the views from the rooftop bar are absolutely stunning. You can see there's a little horizon pool down there, which is gorgeous. You can see someone parasailing over in the distance over there. You can see over to the beach. It looks absolutely gorgeous over here. Some of the stunning high-rise buildings that they have here in Benidorm as well. But yeah, it's absolutely lovely from the roof up here. It's a bit of a hazy day today. It's still 38 degrees. It's absolutely red hot, but it's a bit more cloudy today though. So that is the rooftop bar here at Benidorm. Okay, in terms of how the all-inclusive works, is when you're not given a wristband or anything like that. What you are given is you're given a an all-inclusive card, which is something you present and they scan every single time that you ask for a drink or anything to eat as well whilst you're here. In terms of coming up to the rooftop bar, one thing you're expected to pay is €3 each, and they give you a plastic cup and then they'll exchange that for the card back for the duration, because they don't have glass up here for obvious reasons around by the pool as well. So that is how the all-inclusive works here up on the rooftop bar. So I hope you've enjoyed this little bit of a whimsical tour around the Magic Cristal Park Hotel here at Benidorm, and yeah, we're going to move on. So we're going to go into Madrid next, and we're going to have a stay at a Airbnb there. So hopefully that'll be a nice, enjoyable hotel also. So yeah, stand by for that. So thank you very much. Just one more thing to say. So Casper, say bye.
Bye.
So bye. See you in the next vlog. Bye.